Ready to ditch that boring default Trello team photo and inject some personality into your workspace? First, navigate to the Trello home screen. You'll see a list of your teams on the left-hand side of the screen. Find the team whose photo you want to change and click on it. Once you're on your team's main page, look for the current team profile picture. Usually, it's located in the top left corner. Click on that picture. A small menu should appear within that menu. Locate and click on the Settings button. This will take you to the Team Settings page. In the Team Settings, you'll find various options for managing your team. Look for the button that says Change Photo. It's usually located near the top of the page, right next to the current team photo. Click on that Change Photo button. A file selection window will pop up, allowing you to choose a new image from your computer. Select the image you want to use as your new team photo. Make sure it's a suitable size and resolution for best results. After you've selected your image and it's uploaded, you should immediately see the new team photo displayed in place of the old one. The updated image will now be visible on your team's main page, on boards where the team is assigned, and in the team list. That's it. You've successfully changed your Trello team photo, giving your team a unique and personalized touch.